Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. So guys, today I'm going to go ahead and do a Amazon haul. Should I say Amazon haul? Stuff that I got off Amazon basically. So what I did, I needed some new stuff to film my videos and stuff, so I went ahead, go on Amazon, purchased some stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them, show you guys what I got, and that's basically it. So what I got a laptop case, yeah, for my MacBook. It comes with the full covering. It comes with a screen protector and two keypad covers. So I got that. Because I have two ring lights, both of them they're busted, so I went ahead and picked up two Softbox Lights, and they're the same brand as my ring light that I'm using now, which is newer. I got a because my ring light that I usually put my camera on, it's broken, so I went ahead and picked up a tripod. I can use a tripod for both a camera and a phone. I got some socks, and what else did I got? When I'm going through it, I'll tell you. And I also got the backdrop stand, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So these are my packages. They're on the floor. So this is the first box, and this is what the laptop case came in. So I got this this laptop case. It's pink glitter, and it has the clear covering for the back. It comes with a screen protector and also two of these. So this is the first thing I got. I'm gonna see what's in this because oh yes, I almost forgot about this. My wig stand is also broken, so I went ahead and got a new one. I guess I'll have to assemble it myself. I thought it was already. Basically, this is something similar to what I have already, the wig stand. Oh, this one does. Oh. So this is it. So I guess these pieces I can use to extend it. These are the pieces. Yeah, I can use to extend it. So these are like the extensions. So it goes up to, I'm gonna read and tell you, it goes all the way up to how many feet or whatever. I'm gonna put pictures of all the stuff that I got on the side so you guys can see them. This is my second package. I'm gonna tell you what's inside. I think this is the tripod. So this is the selfie tripod. It says selfie tripod. Okay, so it comes with a remote for the camera. I don't think this will hold my camera because, yeah, it will, because with my camera, I'm just gonna screw this to my camera, this portion to my camera, so it will. Then this is for the phone. and then it's adjustable. so you can go ahead and adjust it. Heavy. So this is the next package. It's kind of heavy. Now that I already went ahead and pulled my tripod out, I decided to use it because I want to get the angle instead of putting my thing on the dresser over there. My camera on the dresser over there. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull this box. And I think this box has the Softbox Lights. So let's see. So it comes with 2 bulbs, and this is one of them. This is the next one. So these are the 2 bulbs. I guess the boxes came in this, the soft boxes. So it's 2 of them. And these are the stands for them. And this is my backdrop stand. These are the clips. So it comes with 1, 2, comes with 6 clips. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to figure out what this is. And it's 2 of them, so I'm gonna figure out what these are. There's sandbag. I guess you can put sand in it to weigh them down. Weigh down the stands, like if you're outdoor and it's windy. So it has 2 sidebars and a rail running across. So it has 2 sidebars and 1 top rail, yeah. And then the last package I got is it's like a romper thing, a pant romper and some socks. with socks, they were like sealed airtight, so I went ahead and I opened it already. So I didn't take anything out, I'm just gonna show you. So these are the socks that I got. I don't know if you guys know these socks, but I love them. So they come in all different colors, so I went ahead and picked up this pack with different colors. So purple, pink, gray, red, green, black, yellow, lavender, yeah. And the thing, it's like a blue. And this is the romper thing I got. I already looked at it. I don't like it. It looks cheap for the money that I pay for it. It's super cheap. I'm gonna send it back. It doesn't look anything like the picture. The design is the same, but the color looks nothing like the picture. I don't like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and return it because it looks way too cheap. I like to buy cheap stuff, but I don't like to buy stuff that is cheap and look cheap. I like to buy stuff that is cheap but look expensive. Yeah, make Adja teacher ABC. Yeah, ABC. Butterfly. What's it? Flower. What's this? Bunny. Yeah, it's number 4. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is all that I got. I'm gonna look out for my video coming up in which I'm gonna assemble everything and do my little setup in which I'll be and how I'm gonna be filming my videos. So I'm gonna go ahead, assemble everything. I'm gonna do a video of me assembling everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.